What do you do if you've signed away your parental rights and you're wanting to get them back? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for over 7 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about your parental rights, how you lose them, and if there might be a way that you can get them back. So I see this happen a lot where someone will come to us and say, hey, back in the day, I wasn't doing great. I signed away my rights. I'm doing better now. I'm happier now. I'm healthier now. I would like to get my rights back. I'd like to get my kids back. Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to look into what my client is talking about when they say they signed their rights away, because that can mean a couple of different things. A lot of people think that, if you were divorcing your ex and you signed the order saying that they get sole custody and you don't get visitation, you still have rights, quote unquote. It's just you may not have visitation right now, but your rights as a parent, your legal, God-given, you know, parental rights are still intact. Those don't go away unless you actually sign over an order to have them terminated so that someone else can adopt your kids. So if you're in a situation where you signed over custody and now you're doing better and you're wanting to try to be a part of your kids' lives, you can do that. Improving your circumstances isn't enough to switch custody around, but it's absolutely enough to get visitation going, to get something put in place, something solid to where you can be a part of your kids' lives and have that right protected. So that way it's not just at the whim of the other parent when and how you get to have a relationship with your kids. Now, if it's a situation where you are signing them over for an adoption purpose, and let's say you're the natural father and you signed your rights away so that stepdad could adopt, man, that's a much harder road to travel down. We'd have to look into whether or not there was any sort of fraud or mistake or something like that and how your rights were signed over to maybe try to overturn that or undo it. Otherwise, we might just have to look at getting creative options for how to get you back in and get some sort of like parent-child relationship going between you and your kids. That's a much more difficult road to go down, and oftentimes it's met with failure. But that's not to say that it's not worth at least looking into so that we can see if maybe that's something we can help you out with. If you have questions about this, or you're in a situation where you're wanting to, reestablish your rights or get some more time with your kids, give us a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.